Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we show you tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how to sign up to Bumble. So first and foremost, you want to go to their website. This is from your website. It's easier on the phone, so I would suggest if you really want to sign up, do it from your phone. So after that, we want to press on sign in over here. You can continue with your Apple ID or continue with your Facebook. I'm just gonna continue with Facebook because you have that, or you can use your cell phone number. So as we have our Facebook account, it's gonna be Bob, and we're just gonna be signing up with that. I'm gonna press on continue, and it's gonna redirect me, and it's gonna tell you to upload some photos. Now, alright, so I've uploaded some pictures. Obviously, I'm not going to upload my pictures, so I uploaded some random pictures and I want to press on continue. It's going to ask you for your location because how are you going to find someone if they're not in your area? So you're just going to allow, and once you let that go through, you just want to press on continue once again before you swipe, yada yada yada, and then just press on agree. Oh, here's a fun thing about Bumble. You can make friends or you can find someone who's interested in you to be in a relationship. Now, if you want to make friends, you want to select this option, which I did, and then they're going to ask you to verify. So to verify, you're going to have to upload a picture of yourself. They're going to tell you to do a pose. I'm going to show you. Exactly, they're gonna give you a gesture to do and you'll have to do that gesture, you verify, and that's it. So it's as simple as that. After that, you can get to your swiping and start matching with people. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.